How to fix Snapchat login error. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to fix a Snapchat login error, first identify the specific code or error code like SSO6 or C14A, or message displayed as a solution varies depending on the cause. So common fixes ranges from checking your internet connection, open up settings on your device, go to network and internet and select internet connection and make sure that you've updated your app or that you're connected to a stable internet. What next you can also do is just go to the app section there, locate your Snapchat and make sure to select storage and cache. So tap on clear cache. This should also definitely help you out. Next, what you also want to do is try updating the app. Head over to your app store, type in Snapchat on the search bar and go ahead and update the app. This should also definitely help you out. So this way you're trying to fix a login error. In many cases, what you could also do is if you've forgotten your credentials or if you've entered the incorrect information, that can cause an issue. So you might want to make sure to go ahead and maybe reset your password as well. That should also help you out. So these are a couple things you could do in order to fix Snapchat login error. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.